everybody, and welcome to the unboxing of my 143 vinyl mystery box. I am so excited to show you guys everything that's in here, but this is going to be a warning. If you don't have the box and you want to be surprised, stop watching now, because I'm going to take everything out and tell you what everything is, and then starting next week, we'll be doing some tutorials with all the products in the box. Okay, if you don't mind ruining your surprise, or if you already have the box, you should still be watching. But again, I'm going to show everything, so if you want to be surprised, don't watch the rest of the video. So I haven't opened mine yet at all. Obviously, I know what's in it. It's all my favorite stuff. But I wanted to unbox it with you guys. That way it would be fun, because I kind of actually forget some of the stuff that I put in here. So I just thought this would be a fun way and kind of informal to go over everything that's in the box. And then, like I said, next week we'll start doing some tutorials. These will be tutorials on top of stuff I post on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So we'll be getting a couple extra bonus videos in the next couple of days. So that is kind of exciting. So I picked all this stuff that's my favorite stuff, or stuff that I think is really fun and versatile that you can work with. So I'm super excited to spend some time with you guys and share it all with you. So I'm just kind of unrolling all my stuff. They pack their things so well. I just love the way they pack everything. And then there is a list included. This helps you know what's in the box. They check off everything and make sure it's all in there. So what we'll do is we'll go over all of the stuff that's in our box. And I hope you guys really, truly enjoy everything that I chose for you, because I'm super excited. So we'll start first with Permanent Adhesive Vinyl by StarCraft. I picked out my 4 most favorite of colors, and I'm just referencing my list here, so I make sure I tell you guys the right name of the color. Obviously, we know that this is white, and we know that that is black, and I chose the matte ones because I feel like people are a little bit afraid of matte vinyl, but I love it. It's my favorite. So I picked black and white matte, and then this one is Tiffany Blue. This is my all-time favorite color ever. Then we have, and again, I'm just double checking names. This one is Lilac, this purpley color, beautiful, like light purple. And finally, we have Light Red. This is a red that I would call like a true red. So if you're looking for a really good red, Light Red is the one to go with. Then we also have some color change vinyl. Now this one is currently, it's cold color. My house is kind of chilly, but you'll see if I put my hand on it, you'll see that it turns hot pink. Isn't that so cool? So this is color change vinyl. This is hot pink to purple. Hot pink to purple. When it's cold, it will be purple. When it's not cold, it's hot pink. It's really, really fun. But again, my house is super cold, so it always stays its color change purple. Then we have some HTV. Who's excited? I picked out my favorite HTVs that are my all-time favorite, because I just really think that they are so fun, and they're just colors that I think maybe people don't always try but want to. So I did pick a few basics too as well, so that you wouldn't be totally, you know, holy my gosh, all these crazy colors. So I'm, again, just referencing my sheet because I want to make sure I tell you guys the exact right names. So this one is one of my favorites. This is Charcoal, and it's like a deep gray. It's really pretty, and it looks really good on black shirts if you want to do something a little bit more muted. Then we have Mint, which again, it kind of like Tiffany Blue, but a little bit more on the green side. This is such a beautiful color, and I really feel like it works on a ton of colored shirts. This looks beautiful on navy blue. The next one that we have is Sulu Green. This one is stunning. It's such a pretty off green color, a little more on the yellow end of green, and I just love it and think it's so gorgeous. Then we have Copper. This color is, I mean, hands down, one of my favorites. It's shiny, it's beautiful, but it's not like in your face shiny. It's got this gorgeous tone to it, and it's so, so pretty. Then I picked out 3 of my favorite electric colors. I am a big fan of electric. It's so pretty, and it's got the most beautiful shine to it. So what we have is Electric Peacock, and this is kind of a greeny, tealy color, aquamarine kind of, really beautiful. Then we also have a copper in that, and it's a different shade of copper. This one's beautiful for fall colors, for Halloween. It's just one of my favorites. I think it's so pretty. And last but not least, we have cherry. Now, most people think of cherry as red, but this is more of a fuchsia, and it's beautiful. And I love the shine of the electrics. I really think they give off the most beautiful shine. Then we have two Caesar holographic glitter. Then we have two Caesar holographic HTVs. These are, you're going to be blinded, but look how cool. So shiny. So this one is just the silver. This is a 12 by 20 sheet, and it's so pretty, and this is one of my favorite products to work with. And then we also have Rainbow Pearl. This one just came out, and isn't it so pretty? Can you see that color shift? So gorgeous. So I love this one. It is beautiful in all colors, but it will kind of change color depending on what you put it on. And when we make the craft, I'll do this on a dark color and a light color so that you guys can see the difference. It's really, really pretty. Then we got some blanks because I love a good blank, and I just thought it would be really, really, really fun to add these blanks. And I'm just kind of double checking because I want to make sure that I know everything that went into this. I do, but I want to make sure I don't miss anything. So I'm sorry if they crinkle, but they're still in the wrapping. This is a shark popsicle holder, and I'm going to take the guy out of the bag for you because he is hard to see in the bag. So I'll pull mine out. But look how cute this is. He's a little popsicle holder, and he's a Sharky. Isn't he so cute? And you put your little popsicle in him, and then your hands don't get all cold. Your popsicle goes in this end, and then he holds onto it, and your hand doesn't get cold. We're going to personalize this with some HTV. He's going to be really, really cute. Then I also picked out a hand sanitizer holder. In these times, we always have to have hand sanitizer on us. And why not make it personalized? Why not really enjoy it and use it and make it really cute? So I got you a white one. This one's really fun. Then we also have some acrylic blanks. I'll take these out of the bubble wrap. Again, they wrap stuff really, really well. Well packaged. And I have two blanks. I have a heart and then a circle tag. So we're going to do some fun things with these. Really, again, an easy product to work with. And then last but not least, we have two tools, and these are my absolute favorite tools next to the pin pen. However, the pin pen is so popular, it was out of stock when we built these, so we went with my next two favorites, which are the craft cutting tools, an X-Acto knife with a cap and a grippy. This is amazing. I can't wait for you guys to try it out. I love it. And of course, my favorite, the squeegee. If you don't have one of these, I'm glad you got one in the box because these are amazing. They're a little more flexible than the CRICUT scraper. They're better for your vinyl and they're better for your product. This is one of my favorite things that is out right now, and I love it. I have all the colors because I have a problem. Everything needs to match, and I just have all the colors, but the red I thought was going to be a really fun one. I felt like it was super gender neutral and super fun because there are dude crafters. We know this, and we started the hashtag on the mystery box launch of dude crafters. So if you are a dude crafter, let me know in the comments down below. I am so thrilled to hear about everything that you guys are doing. It's so exciting to have dude crafters. All right, guys, I showed you everything that was in the box, so be on the lookout next week, and we're going to start doing some really fun crafts with these. I will have my first video out on Tuesday, that way it doesn't coincide with my Wednesday and Saturday uploads, and then I'll have another video on Friday making some more cool crafts with my mystery box. Thank you guys so much for getting my mystery box and believing in it, and I hope you love everything that's in there, and I can't wait to start showing you guys how to work with everything. Have a great day, and happy crafting!